Today we're diving into the Zynova Hypersonics Pro vacuum cleaner, one of those devices that's been popping up everywhere with claims that almost sound too good to be true. We're talking about a 135,000 RPM motor, up to 27,000 PA suction power, a smart auto sensor, and a sleek cordless design. On paper, it seems like the perfect vacuum at a fraction of the big brand cost. But is Zynova actually the real deal? Or just another overhyped product with clever marketing? So let's start with the good. The specs are no doubt impressive. It offers smart suction adjustment depending on how dirty the surface is, and boasts a washable HEPA filter, long-lasting battery, and enough suction to handle anything from pet hair to cereal spills. Sounds like a cleaning dream, right? But here's where things get a little messy. First off, the exact same vacuum seems to be sold under different names across multiple websites, all with the same product photos, descriptions, and even identical site layouts. That's usually a red flag for dropshipping operations where sellers don't manufacture the vacuum but instead buy generic models in bulk, slap on a new name, and resell them at a marked up price. In fact, we found similar looking models on Alibaba for much less. There's also the issue of transparency. The official Zynova site provides only a generic email for contact. No physical address, no company details, and no phone number. Even worse, the domain was registered only recently. That, paired with aggressive marketing tactics like fake countdowns and only 5 left stock warnings, creates urgency but offers no real trust. And while the website says the vacuum runs for 50 minutes, it takes over 4 hours to recharge. That's a serious drawback if you're in the middle of cleaning and don't want to wait half a day to finish. The dustbin capacity is also questionable. It claims to hold a litre, but users have noted it fills up surprisingly fast, making big cleanups a stop-and-go affair. Plus, the total lack of verified customer reviews online is concerning. No Trustpilot presence, no real user feedback, just more flashy claims and discounts. In today's world, reviews are everything. Without them, it's hard to know what you're really getting. Bottom line, Zynova might look like a solid buy, but too many red flags are waving in the background. Until they build a stronger reputation with real customer feedback and transparency, this is one product you might want to think twice about before buying.